Have you ever looked at a simple plastic shaver and thought, could this become something powerful? Today, we're turning an ordinary disposable plastic shaver into a homemade electric lighter. And trust me, you're going to love how simple, clever, and satisfying this build is. First, grab your plastic shaver. Look closely at the head. That metal blade is the first thing we need to remove. Carefully pry it out using a small screwdriver or pliers. Take your time here. We don't want to damage the plastic body, because that's going to be our lighter's main frame. Now we're going to cut the upper part of the shaver, the section where the blade used to sit. Use a cutter or small saw and carefully trim it down. The goal is to create an open space at the top, where our heating element will sit later. Make the cut clean and even. This is going to hold the glowing coil. Here comes the heart of our electric lighter. Take a thin piece of nichrome wire. If you don't know, nichrome wire is special because it heats up when electricity passes through it. That's exactly what we want. Now connect each end of the nichrome coil to the two wires that are coming through the holes. Twist one end of the nichrome to the exposed copper of the left wire. Twist the other end to the right wire. Now grab a small needle. Carefully wrap or turn the nichrome wire tightly around the needle. Make several neat coils close together. Next, we need two small holes, one on the left side of the shaver's upper body and one on the right side. These holes should be directly opposite each other. You can use a heated nail, a small drill bit, or anything sharp enough to pierce the plastic, because these will guide the wires through the body, keeping everything secure and hidden inside the handle. Small detail, big purpose. Now take two pieces of insulated electric wire. Pass one wire through the left hole and the other through the right hole. Pull them down through the inside of the shaver handle so they extend out the bottom. Make sure the connections are tight. A loose connection won't heat properly. Position the coil so it sits centered at the top opening of the shaver. This is your lighter's ignition point. Already, you can imagine it glowing. Now we move to the power system. You'll need a small battery, a push-button switch. You can get a push button from old scrap circuits. Recycling is always smart. Here is how we connect it. Take one of the wires coming from the coil and connect it to one pin of the push button. Take the other wire from the coil and connect it to the positive plus terminal of the battery. Now connect the negative terminal of the battery to the second pin of the push button. So what happens? When you press the button, the circuit closes. Electricity flows from the battery through the coil and back again, and that's when the coil heats up. Simple circuit, powerful result. Now we arrange everything neatly inside the shaver handle. Place the battery along the handle. Use strong glue. Hot glue works great to secure the battery firmly to the inside or side of the shaver handle. And now it's checking time. Take your lighter to a safe area. Press the button. Watch carefully. Within seconds, the nichrome coil should start glowing bright red. That glow means heat, and that heat means ignition power. Without flame, without gas, just pure electricity. That's the beauty of simple engineering. And there you have it.